Hi everyone, welcome to Conceptnomics. A little bit about myself. I am Joycey Joy. I am a native of Kerala. At present, I live in Trivandrum. I was born and brought up in Bombay, completed my schooling partially from Bombay and then from Kerala. I did my graduation in commerce and post-graduation in economics. At present, I am doing a second post-graduation in business administration, specializing in finance from Symbiosis Institute of Management, Pune. Talking about my teaching experience in UPSC, I have been working as a faculty for UPSC Civil Services Examination for the past 8 years, and in these 8 years, I have worked with many reputed institutions both online and offline based in Kerala, Bangalore and Delhi. The whole idea of Conceptnomics came from the thought that many students who prepare for competitive examinations doesn't have a background in economics, or they find it very difficult to understand economics because they haven't learned it in their school or in the college. Many students have shared their experience with me saying that economics is a very difficult subject, it's a very technical subject, the concepts are very difficult to understand, etc. So my idea of Conceptnomics was to make the process of learning economics easy for them. But Conceptnomics is not only for students or not only for anybody who are preparing for a competitive examination, it is for anyone who is interested in economics or anyone who wants to develop an interest in economics. For example, when you read a newspaper, when you go through an article or when you read a book which is related to economics, you may come across many concepts or many terms which are not familiar for you. What you immediately do is Google it, then find some popular website, try to read the concept, then try to understand it, maybe reread it and then again try to understand it. It is very difficult for you if you do not have a background in economics. It may eat up a lot of your time, maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes or even more depending on the topic and also depending on how much background you have in this subject. So the idea of Conceptnomics is to make these concepts very clear for you, but in the most simple way, maybe through illustrations, maybe through some examples, or maybe connecting it with your real life itself. If you want me to prepare a video on a specific topic or on a specific current affair or a concept, you can email it to us. We will consider that and we will try to make the video based on your request. And finally, I want to dedicate this channel for you because the idea of Conceptnomics and the whole idea of starting this channel came up to me only from my students. It was my students who gave me the inspiration, who gave me the dream of starting this channel, to connect with them regularly, to reach out to them regularly. So this is all for you. Conceptnomics is all yours, and I wish and I hope to connect with you more and more through Conceptnomics. Thank you so much for all the support you have given me in the past 8 years, and I'm sure you will keep supporting me. Thank you.